Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll guide you through setting up the Delivery Time Widget, a simple yet powerful feature that lets your customers choose their preferred delivery time during checkout. It's a great way to improve convenience and enhance the overall shopping experience. Accessing the widget. To access the Delivery Time Widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Go to Widget Group, select the Cart drawer, then go to Cart Preferences and choose Delivery Time. To enable or disable the widget, go to Theme Settings, Growth Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Widget Group, Cart Drawer, Cart Preferences, Delivery Time. Here, you can customize all settings. Label icon. Choose an icon to display with your delivery time label. Example, Local Offer. Heading. Customize the title shown to your customers. Example, Delivery Time. Minimum time. Set the earliest hour customers can select for delivery. Example, 8. Customers can pick delivery time starting from 8 a.m. Maximum time. Define the latest delivery time customers can choose. Example, 20. Customers can choose delivery times up to 8 p.m. Required to checkout. Enable this option if you want customers to select a delivery time before completing their purchase. And that's it. Your delivery time widget is all set up and ready to go. Now your customers can conveniently choose when they want their orders delivered, making their shopping experience even smoother. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with Debutify Theme.